Hi guys, welcome to our vlog. It's me, Precious, and nagbabalik na naman ng another vlog. And Happy New Year pala sa inyo guys. And hindi na ako nakapag-edit kasi super busy na kasi at marami pa kasi kaming gagawin sa project ko. But even when I said like January, like now, January 1 is my back to school, like January 6 like that, or 5, 3, or 2. Kasi you are nothing complete with myself. So, for today's video, kaya New Year ngayon, ano na yung oras? 3:37 na ako natulog kasi alam mo na. So, comment for part 2 kung gusto niyo maraming kwento about sa klase namin at pasaway. Bye!